Video 4, packing your bag. Are you ready to pack your bag? There are 3 parts we will go through: forms, medical equipment, and equipment for vitals. First is part 1, the forms. Those will help us collect all the information gathered at a regular urgent care clinic visit. We collect patients' names, date of birth, gender, insurance information, social security number, and sign a consent to treat form. When we perform tests, we jot down some clinical notes that we use for documentation purposes, as well as for billing purposes. See this sample form and this sample form. Next is part 2, your medical equipment. It consists of basics like hand sanitizer, gloves, clinical tests like the rapid PCR tests for COVID, or other types of tests for our varied urgent care services. We also carry masks, and we have some other items for personal protective equipment if needed. And then lastly, part 3, we have our equipment for vitals. We have a blood pressure monitor, thermometer gun, and a pulse oximeter. We also have cleaning wipes to make sure that equipment is disinfected before and after each use. That's your bag.